Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here they given sulfur hexa fluoride. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. Here to find the hybridization, you should know the steric number. The formula is V plus B minus C by 2. V represent valency. For sulfur it is 6. Fluorine is bonded atom. Total is 6. If you substitute, you find the steric number H. H means octahedral. Then you should also analyze the lone pair. Lone pair is 0 because 6 minus 6 is 0 and the structure will be octahedral. The structure of octahedral can be easily realized by 3D animation. So the shape of the SF6 is octahedral. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.